Good morning, students. Today we read chapter number 11 Arjun, the Great Archer. Value being taught, set your goal. Students, before start reading, I want to discuss with you about goal. गोल क्या होता है? बच्चे, गोल जो है वो एक एम होता है जिसको हमने अचीव करना होता है। गोल जो है वो हमारी लाइफ में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। गोल जो होते हैं, गोल को सेट करना या सेटिंग गोल्स जो है ये हमारी लाइफ को एक मतलब देता है, मीनिंग देता है और उसको अचीव करने में हेल्प करता है। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जिनकी लाइफ में कोई एम नहीं होता है और ना ही वो उसके ऊपर फोकस कर पाते हैं। उनके पास जो होता है वो उसी में ही खुश होते हैं। लेकिन हमें हमारी लाइफ को एक गोल ज़रूर देना चाहिए। अगर हम अपनी लाइफ को गोल देते हैं तो उसको बिल्कुल हमें सिंगल माइंडेड होके, बिल्कुल एक मन होके कंसंट्रेशन उसके ऊपर करनी चाहिए कि उसको हमने कैसे अचीव करना है। हमारे रास्ते में बहुत सारी ऑब्स्टेकल्स आएंगी, बहुत सारी मुश्किलें आएंगी, लेकिन हमें रुकना नहीं है, हमें आगे मूव करते जाना है। हमें पूरी हार्ड वर्क के साथ अपनी जो गोल है उसको अचीव करना है। जैसे अब आप बच्चे स्कूल लाइफ में हो, आप कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो अभी से अपने मन में ये चीज़ सोच लेते हैं कि हाँ, हम बड़े होके ये चीज़ बनेंगे। कोई कहता है मैं बड़ा होके इंजीनियर बनूंगा, कोई कहता है मैं बड़ा होके डॉक्टर बनूंगा। तो ये क्या है? ये एक गोल है। आप इसको अचीव करने के लिए हार्ड वर्क करते हो। जो तो बिल्कुल सीरियस होके एक इसको गोल समझते हैं, तो वो बिल्कुल बच्चे जो हैं पूरी कंसंट्रेशन के साथ, पूरी हार्ड वर्क के साथ इसको अचीव करने की कोशिश करते हैं और वो करते भी हैं। सो ये जो चैप्टर है ये इसी चीज़ के ऊपर ही बेस्ड है। नाउ लेट्स रीड द चैप्टर। Guru Dronacharya was the teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas. He taught all of them with sincerity and dedication. One day he decided to test whatever they had learned. One bright summer morning, he went to a forest with his students. On reaching the forest, he said, I have trained you a lot in archery. Today I shall be testing you on that. So everyone listened to him carefully. Guru Dronacharya was a teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas. He taught them with his full dedication. एक दिन वो क्या डिसाइड करते हैं कि मैंने इनको जितना भी करवाया है अब तक, वो उनकी नॉलेज देखना चाहते हैं कि आर्चरी में इनको कितनी नॉलेज है। सो वो उनका टेस्ट लेना चाहते हैं। इन द मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ देम वेंट टू अ फॉरेस्ट फॉर द टेस्ट विद गुरुजी. Pointing towards a big mango tree, Guruji said, I have hung a wooden bird on that mango tree. You all have to aim that hit the eye of the bird. The one who is able to achieve the aim and hit the eye would be declared the best. The students began to get ready for the competition. Guruji told them to stand in a line. He first called Duryodhan, the eldest Kaurav, and asked, What do you see? Duryodhan said, I can see the branch of a tree, green leaves, sun's rays, and bird. Guruji smiled and said, You are not focused and hence see a lot of things. Step aside as you will not able to hit the target. Students, Guruji had hung a wooden bird on the tree and instructed all of them to one by one hit the eye of the bird. Whosoever passed that test would be declared the best student. Then Guruji called his students one by one. Firstly, he called Duryodhan, and Duryodhan, he was the eldest Kaurav. Guruji asked him that what did he see? Guruji was not satisfied with his answer. Next, Guruji called Yudhishthir, the eldest Pandav, and asked, What can you see? Yudhishthir said, I see the tree, brown bark, the leaves, and the birds. Guruji said sadly, You would not be able to hit the target either. Please go back. Guruji called all his students one by one and asked each one the same question. All of them gave answers that did not satisfy Guruji. Guruji then called Arjun and asked him the same question. Arjun said, I can only see the bird's eye. Guruji was very happy to hear this answer. He said, my son, you will surely be able to achieve the target. Go ahead, aim and shoot. Arjun took the blessings of his guru and aimed at the bird's eye. He shot the arrow. The arrow hit the bird's eye. Guruji then told all his students Arjun is the best archer because he knows that a good archer sees only the goal and nothing else. Only the focused and single minded can achieve their goal. Students, as we read in the story, that Guruji was not satisfied with Duryodhan. Then he called Yudhishthir. He was the eldest Pandav. Again, on asking the same question, Guruji was not satisfied with his answer too. One by one, students came, but Guru Drona was not satisfied with their answers. Then he called Arjun and asked the same. Arjun replied that he could see only the eye of the bird. Guruji was satisfied with his answer. Then he told him to shoot his target. The arrow hit the bird's eye. Guruji declared him the best archer as only he knew how to single-mindedly focus on his goal. So, the moral of the story is one who focuses on goal always emerges as a winner. So, students, as I told you, to achieve success, we have to focus on our goal. Only persistence, hard work, and concentration can let us achieve our aim. Thanks and have a nice day.